Now the next one, it says velocity versus time graph of a ball of mass 50 gram rolling on a concrete floor is shown in figure 9.1. Calculate the acceleration and frictional force of the floor on the ball. So we need to find the force. Force क्या होता है हमारा? That's mass into acceleration. So here in this case m is the, a is the, m की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे 50 ग्राम दी हुई है. 50 ग्राम को क्या करोगे? You need to change it. सबसे पहले आप a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लो क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्सेलरेशन भी हमारे पास नहीं है. सो एक्सेलरेशन क्या होगा इस केस में? दैट्स v minus u over t. So what is my final velocity? That's 0. What is my initial velocity? That's 80. u की जगह 80 पुट करोगे, v की जगह 0 and t की जगह क्या पुट करोगे? Total time taken by the ball is 8. Minus 80 over 8 हो जाएगा. So what is this value in this case? That's minus 10 meter per second square. Now here in this case I need to find the total force. That would be mass into acceleration. So यहाँ पे हमारा value क्या हो जाएगा? Mass is 50 gram. 50 gram needs to be converted into kg. That would be 50 over 1000. Acceleration in this case is minus 10. So what would be the value in this case? 0 and 0 would be cancelled. 0 and 0 would be cancelled. That would be minus 5 by 10. That's minus 0.5 Newton. Acceleration भी निकाल लिया, frictional force भी निकाल ली हमने. That's of the floor on the ball.